Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in the previous video we have discussed events, just click event, change event, submit event and other events. Now in this video let's see styles. So how we apply CSS styles in React.js. So we have three different types of styles here, which is inline and internal and external in React. So first let's see inline and internal. Import React from React and let's create component and export the component. Yeah, now let's return HTML element. Okay, now let's see first inline CSS how we apply here. Let's let it be here. So I want to create a table, HTML table. So with this table let's explore inline styles. Align center, style. So this is how we provide inline styles. Using style keyword we have to provide inline styles. So here I'd like to provide the border 2 pixel and solid black, so that is fine, and width 80% and height 200 pixels. Now let's see how it is getting created. Let's import the styles in app.tsx. Okay, now you can see the border is came over here. So this is how we create inline styles. So if you go to this element, you can see that inline styles are applied here. Style, border and width and height. Okay, now let's give 500 pixels and see. Now you can see height is increased. Okay, now let's create table header. Tr td testing styles, and I want to apply red color for this. Font weight bold. So this is how we apply inline styles. You can see this, it is aligned. Okay, now let's apply more styles here. Border to width and height we are already taking here. Only cell padding and cell spacing. And border also, let's provide here border 1. Let's remove the border from here, and now let's apply the body also. Let's create a row and let's create a element over here. Type text email, and now one more row, it is password. Okay, now so here I'll create a label. Now let's pass the style of color. Okay, keeping text align left will keep the text left actually. Okay, font size let's keep 20 and color blue. Now you can see this much spaces came. Let's decrease this. So remove this one. Now you can see it is taking automatically. So here we have a header over here, but why this is coming in the left side and why it is coming, because we have created separate data rows or data columns over here, so that is the reason it is coming like that. So next let's see, so here we can apply font size 20 pixel. You can see it is more visible now. Let's remove this color red. Okay, keeping font weight bold, that is fine. Now you can see it is coming more better now. Let's create a button. So now you can see the design will come like this. If we need a button over here, we can keep like that. So we have to create a empty table data, then it will go here. Similarly we can do for testing styles also for header. So if we focus on design, we can improve more design, so however we want. Now let's see internal styles. To apply internal styles in React.js, we have to create styles inside the division, inside the top element of the returning block of HTML block. So inside the top element we have to create a styles. So declare the style and then open braces, and we have to give these quotations. Now after creating these quotes, we can create classes. So this heading I want to apply to this h1 tag. Let's create a heading class over there, and here text center, color blue, font size 30 pixels. Class name. Now, to apply classes in React.js, we have to provide the class as class name. In HTML we provide it as class, but here we have to provide class name. Now let's see the output. So here it is changing. So let's change the color to red. You can see it is getting applied. So this is how we apply the internal styles. To create external styles, we have to create a file. With the file name we can create styles.css I'm creating. So here we have to import, similarly how we imported in app.tsx, we have to import the styles here. Import styles.css. Okay, after importing, similar to this heading class, let's create one more heading class, heading 2. Here I'll just copy this thing. and here let's do it is green. Let's apply this heading to here and let's keep this as h2. This is small. Okay, now you can see green is there for h2. So this is how we apply external styles in React.js. So we have learned how we apply inline styles and how we apply internal styles and how we use external styles in React.js. So we can create a number of classes over here and we can reuse wherever we want.